Alright guys, let's see. Welcome to another one. This is unboxing time. Let's see what's in here. Let's open up. Just excited. Ta-da! Oh yeah! So you would know in the last video I asked about the Hero 7. If you guys, yes or no, I'd done some research and you guys were pretty much on point with it. It's a good thing, especially for what I'm going to use it for, especially summertime. In the pool, some nice adventures, things like that. Yeah, but let's see. Unboxing came with a GoPro and some accessories, guys, and it was on a bargain. I think the accessories were like 60% off normal price, so I had to grab it. So let's unbox and see. I'm not going to be doing any footage review of the GoPro as yet. I want to test it out, but this is just the unboxing, a quick one. Hope you enjoy. Okay, so let's see. So it's a GoPro HERO 7 White. Basic 10 megapixel pictures. It does 1080p at 60 frames per second. And yeah, it's waterproof, which is cool because my other GoPros had to be in a waterproof casing, but this is already waterproof, so that's awesome. And this is just what it comes with. And yeah, there's an app for it, so you can direct from the GoPro, you can put directly onto Instagram. How cool is that? This also has a voice control function, so you can tell it, hey, you know what, record, and it'll record or take a picture, GoPro. But that's cool, but that'll be coming up in the future. And it's just a little what voice control. You can do slow-mo, touchscreen. That looks amazing. Yeah, let's open up this bad boy. This is quite cool. The stand. This is awesome. The feel of it is actually quite cool as well. So I'm guessing in here will be your charge cables, the manuals, things like that. Hey, some nice stickers. That's cool. This is not a sponsored video, just in case you're wondering. Let's see. So you get a charge cable, you get a curved mount. Can you see the curve? And you get a flat mount. That's cool. What else is in here? Nothing else. Cool. Alright, let's get this off. I like the pedestal that it came in. This is quite cool. So let's see. Remove. Okay, removing that. Pinch that. And it should slide off. Yeah, it does. That's cool. So that's obviously a sticker. It's no important. Power button, things like that. Cool. Let's take him out of this casing. Ah, this is so cool. This casing, and that's how small it is. It fits in the palm of my hand. Now obviously that picture will come off when you take the screen guard off, which I'm about to do. All those that enjoy taking these thingamabobs off, this is for you. Okay, let's see. Let's try and put this bad boy on. So we got that. Push this down, slide it out, lift up, and then you can put in your card. You can put in your cable for charging the battery because it's a built-in battery. Yeah, that's awesome, man. Let's see. Okay, so I said I bought a accessory kit for the GoPro. Might as well, it went on special. I mean, it was, I think, 58% off if I'm not mistaken. and I paid for this 220 bucks. And the stuff you're gonna see in here, you're probably gonna think, wow, geez, for that amount of money, that's brilliant. So let's have a look. Let's see, it really says 18-in-1 accessory kit for GoPro HERO. Let's have a look. Whoa, check this out. That's awesome. What is this? They gave us a calendar. For 2020. All those who think 2020 is a write-off, hit the like button. I'm kidding. Dear customer, thank you for all this. You're too kind. Let's see what is inside here. This is why I got the actual accessory kit. What this is, so the GoPro will connect here with that other connections that are obviously in the bag somewhere. It'll connect there, and what this is, it's a floaty. So when you're in the pool, just chuck it down wherever and it'll float and bob, and you can do whatever it is that you want to underwater while the GoPro is recording, which is quite cool. That's that. Got ourselves a nice stick, tripod stick. It opens up nice and long, and what's cool is you can attach a tripod underneath, which I have already of the DJI Osmo Mobile that I have. It's cool. This is a little So yeah, guys, that was unboxing of my new GoPro HERO 7 White, and also some of the accessories, which is awesome. I can't wait to start using them. I can't wait for summer to come in the pool. Yeah. Anyway, if you enjoyed that, give it a like. And thank you for all the subscribes and the support, guys. Have an awesome day. Peace.